ROCKSBOX is a jewelry rental service. For $21 a month, you'll receive 3 pieces of jewelry that are yours to wear, and you can refresh your set as often as you'd like. When you're ready to refresh your set, please return all items at the same time. Just put your set back in the mail using the reusable envelope it came in, with the prepaid USPS return shipping label provided, inside the box underneath the jewelry and tissue paper. If you find a piece you love, you may purchase it by going to My Set. Bonus, your monthly $21 monthly credit will automatically apply towards any purchase from your set. You're not limited to one set per month. You can also keep a set for as long as you like, as long as you're paying the ROCKSBOX monthly membership fee. Discover new looks, rock the latest trends, or add more of your favorite classic styles to your jewelry collection, without the commitment to purchase. As a member, you'll receive 3 pieces of hand-selected jewelry that are yours to wear and can be refreshed as often as you like. If you fall in love with a piece from your set, buy it with your monthly credit. They give $21 as monthly credit. When you're ready for new jewelry, return the entire set and we'll send you more. There's no limit on the number of sets you can receive every month, and your monthly membership credit can be put towards the purchase of any piece from your set. There are no strings attached, you can cancel anytime. How it works: create a wish list, browse thousands of exclusive and designer styles to create a personalized list of jewelry you'd love to try. Hand-selected by you or your personal stylist, your set is yours to wear for as long as you'd like. Purchase your faves with your monthly membership credit. Use the prepaid envelope to return the remaining set, or the whole set when you're ready for more. Membership perks: access to top designers like Kendra Scott, Kate Spade, and ROCKSBOX exclusive designers. Unlimited rentals of designer jewelry. You're not limited to one set per month. Free shipping both ways on all jewelry sets. Discounts when purchasing jewelry from your set and our collection. Loyalty rewards, shopping credits, and other exclusive perks. Updates on the latest trend jewelry and accessories and how to wear new styles.